Let's take a look at how to do an SEO audit with Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, so if you don't already have a subscription, you'll need to actually sign up to be able to use the different features that I'm going to show you. But once you're in Ahrefs, there's a whole bunch of tools. You can actually see them on the left side here after you've done a search. But the way I typically like to start an SEO audit is to start by looking at the companies that already rank at the top of Google. So assuming, for an example, let's say this is a plumber in Scottsdale, right? If we do that search and we scroll down to the first website listings, the organic listings, not the paid ones up here, but the organic listings down here, we can grab the first URL and put the competitor's website into this tool and click search. When we do that, it's going to give us this full breakdown of their SEO, right? So we can see the organic keywords that they're ranking for, the backlinks that they have, the domains that are backlinking to their website, tons of different information. I like to switch this to local or by location. So we can see like plumber Scottsdale, they're ranked in position number 2. I would think Scottsdale plumber, they're in position number 1. I actually don't see that keyword here, but either way, you can see that there's a whole bunch of terms here relating to plumbing in Scottsdale that they're ranking really, really high for. So these would be the top keywords that this company is going after, essentially. Now, we could do that exact same analysis for the next competitor and the next one and the next one, and ultimately start to get a sense of what keywords our competitors are targeting. And then, like I was showing you, we can go over to their backlinks right here under the backlink profile tab and see, okay, they've got a backlink from the Better Business Bureau. We should probably have one of those too. Same with Yellow Pages. These are like local directories, right? Some of these others, I'm not 100% sure. Delta Faucet, I think that's like a manufacturer. Yeah, Find a Pro. So these are going to be people that can install. They're like certified to install this faucet, for instance, right? So we might be wanting to reach out to some of our suppliers and say, hey, we install your stuff. Can you throw a little backlink on your website for us? That'd be nice. Super simple, straightforward, easy to do, but can really go a long way, right? So these are the sorts of opportunities we can start to uncover as we're analyzing their SEO. And really, it's just starting at this overview and just going through each of these elements, right? Like, I don't necessarily think I need to go through every single one with you. You could probably look up, I have other videos on my channel going through each of these tools in more depth. But ultimately, the idea is to figure out what are the competitors doing in a space currently. And that's what this whole overview informs us of. And then how can we work backwards and create a superior plan, going after the same or even better keywords, for instance, getting the same or better backlinks, right, from the same or better websites. So ultimately, having a superior online presence is the only way we're going to outrank this competitor. And to be able to improve our online presence and be superior to this competitor, we first have to know what the competitor is doing. And that's where these SEO audits really come in handy. So I do hope this was helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.